What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Does It cooking vlog. Today we're making my own special recipe of beef. I came up with this recipe in college during those long nights of studying. Sometimes I would study so hard I would get the hungries. So this recipe is a product of all the studying that I did. Okay guys, my special beef recipe uses flat meat. It's heavily marbled, has great meaty flavor, and it's pretty cheap. I get it straight from my garden. Perfect. First we need to cut this, but there's a strategy to it. Use karate B and cut it into large sections. Then we need to cut against the grain. The grain is the direction that the muscle fibers are moving. As you can see, they run vertically. So we're going to cut it horizontally. To help you cut against the grain, we're going to cut with the grain for accuracy. Kind of like that old robot movie from the 90s.
Stop. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammer's just so hype. I'm low on the floor and I'm...
You can save these and feed them to your birds or your baby. These are the right sized meat chunks. Next we're going to marinate the meat with chopped garlic and ginger, brown sugar, rice wine vinegar, soy sauce, panda blood, also called oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix it together and let it marinate for 20 minutes. In the meantime, you can address popular internet crazes. Okay, tell me what you hear.
Laurel. Laurel.
What do you hear?
Laurel. Why? What do you hear?
We're back outside, ready to rock out with our walkout. Add in some oil and cook my beef until it's brown. Set it to hot, like really, really hot, like Hawaii mainland lava hot. This should just take a few minutes, and done. Quick like prom night. Serve this puppy on some rice with some sesame seeds. Guys, this dish is super easy to make. It's so good. It's got that salty, sweet, Asian-y taste. The only thing it really needs is a little green onion. Nothing a little movie magic can't fix. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does It Cooking. That was a pretty quick episode. But what can I say? Bryan's beef is finished in a few seconds. So next week, I'm going to Ukraine, of all places. So the posting schedule might be a little bit off. You'll probably get a video sometime around Thursday next week. And if there isn't a video, it's probably because I'm dead. So I'm washing the cow, and I don't know why, but I think this is so funny.